A little chart that I did. We have the Ancient of Days in the left-hand side and the Head of Days in the right-hand side. There's their Hebrew, their pronunciations. So for the Ancient of Days, the Atik Yong Yin, there's the spelling of the word days. And for the Rosh Mim, sorry, the word day is just the Yod and the Mem. And I looked at this and I thought, okay, this is a doubling of the days, a doubling of the waters, and everything that's alive doubles. You know, when he says you've got to be baptized in living waters, or I'll give you the waters of life. They're living. Our people multiply through doubling. The mother and the father's chromosomes come together, and that doubling pairs up and creates a multiplication, or our cells divide and multiply. So there's a multiplication to anything that's living. But when I thought about this Yod and Mem over here in the other word for days, back to the Ancient of Days side, I looked at it and I thought the day is split. Like the Yod and the Mem are split by something that's connecting them. And that would release ions, energy, and a transfer of energy transfer or rebirthing. So I actually looked at it as the day was being divided by something that's still connecting it. And it's releasing energy. And I pondered that. So I put it in here. Okay, so what you see in this chart is all the, up here in the blue is basically the standard definition for the words, and what you see in the text. And each column, we have the ancient column is blue, the head column is blue. The days are both the same color, so you could kind of compare the two side by side. And I put all the alternative and Yehudya's meanings here in this chart so that you could contemplate this and meditate on it. Okay. One thing left for you to ponder, and then I'll be done. This is, this is being done to help understand the ancient calendar. So I went back to Genesis 1:14, and I just wanted to show you this. It's, and Elohim said, "Let there be lights in the firmament of the heavens to divide the day." That's blue from the night. "And let them be for signs and seasons for the days and years." Okay, that's green. So the word day up here is the Yod Vav Mem, sitting right there. And the days plural is that Yod Mem, Yod Mem. So if you look back up here, at the way the words were spelled for days, then you can ponder how the day up here to divide the day from the night was associated with the Ancient of Days. And the word where it says, "and let them be for signs and seasons and for days plural," was associated with the verse and the stuff where I pulled for the Head of Days. So this is just another way to sit there and look at Genesis 1:14 and see if you see anything. And again, if you get anything out of this teaching, I would appreciate your putting it in the comments, and I enjoy that kind of discussion. And I hope you have enjoyed this word study. And for those of you who are in our community, there is a bonus section